The first update which we're going to see is curve. If you create a text here and if you like to do a curve for the text, like if I like to use this text and let ungroup it, and I like to do a curve of this text, go to this effect and there is a new option for curve as per your requirement. You can able to change that of the text. This new update came from CANVA 2021. And the second update which you're going to see is lines. See, the lines will be used in different format as per your requirement, like filling a form or getting a PDF file. If you go to this element and drag on a line, from the lines, if you like to go and add, there are updation like weight. You can able to change the weight of the line, and you can change the style of the line, and also line start and line end. Weight can be changed here, like we can able to move around and change the line weight. See how the line has been updating here. The same, you can able to change the style of that line, like straight line. This curved at the end, you can able to see the curve at the end. Likewise, you can able to update it curve like that, and you can able to drag it down where you need the line. You can also change the line height. You can able to change the line height and drag down where you need that line. And also you can also style it like this, dashed one and dotted one. So you can able to create a easy line style here. And also you can able to line start. See, line start will be there. If you come to this and apply line start and go to this start one which you like in it, see how easily you can able to update. And line end, see how easily you can able to create a decorations in the start and end of the lines. Likewise, you can able to explore through this line weight and line style and line start and line end in your designs.